Says, what is 4 times 8? Okay, so let's imagine for 1 second that we have 4 groups. Okay, 1. And let's imagine that all of these groups are even groups, and I'm going to try my best to make those even and look as good as possible. So what this question is asking is we have 4 groups, okay, and within each of those groups we have 8 items within those groups. I'm going to draw those items in orange, and so I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, and hopefully I don't run out of space here, 4, 5, and it just keeps doing that. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Delete that one. 8. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you can imagine that I can draw 8 more on this bottom side. I can just, and I'm drawing these very quickly just as an example. I'm trying to draw them very quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so we actually have defined here. We have 4 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, and each of these groups has 8, 8, 8, 8, and 8. So each of these groups has 8. One thing we can do is we can say, well, 8 plus 8 equals 8 plus 2 plus 6, or 16. 16 plus 8 is 24, and 24 plus 8 is 32. I can simply know that 4 times 8 equals 32, or I can add them. And let's say, to double check, we can actually very quickly, with this number, we can very quickly just count all of the circles that we have here. And we see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Very good job. So the answer here is 32. We have 4 groups, 8 each, 32. The next question is, how many bottles would you have if you have 4 cases of bottles and each case holds 8 bottles? Well, this is a word problem and it has a lot of words, but we're getting 2 very key things here. 4 cases of bottles, okay, and each case holds 8 bottles, okay, and so actually that's very similar to the problem above. Essentially you can think of these as cases, so this is really 4 cases, multiplied by 8 bottles for each case, and this gives us 32. And my pen is a little shaky today, but that's essentially it. And the last question says, octagons have 8 sides. How many total sides are in 4 octagons? Okay, well, we're going to have 4 items, and each item has 8 units. In this case, the units are sides. And 4 times 8 equals 32. Fantastic.